Hi guys, Kane Harrison here. Welcome back to Nashville Health and Wellness Programming. We are once again joined by Michael Ramsey, who is Director of PAI Medical Group at WeGrowHair.com. Welcome back.
Thanks, Kane.
Now, we've talked about a number of different procedures, which is brilliant, and I need to tell everyone at home that I wasn't aware of all these procedures, and probably at the moment I don't quite need them, but I may someday. But I think we've dispelled a few myths. And the great thing that I've learned is the fact that there are a number of different options that we can touch on. Just touch on all the options to start with, the names, and then we'll talk about what happens when someone comes in.
Okay. So we offer some non-invasive options for people who are beginning to thin in what we call early onset hair loss. We offer low-level laser therapy. We offer something called PRP. So that's great for those guys that are just thinning. For guys that have their hair really, really short, maybe have some bald patches, they like short hair, they're always going to keep their hair short, we offer a unique process called micropigmentation, where we fill those areas in and make everything look thick and full. On the surgical side, we offer something called ARTIS robotic system. It's a robotic transplant system that allows us to go in using a minimally invasive type of surgical technique, harvest some follicles from the back and sides, and then we plant those little seeds, those little hair follicles, in the areas where the patient's thinning. And then our trademark, our thing that we're most proud of, or I shouldn't say most proud of, but one of the things we're most known for is something called multi-unit hair grafting. And multi-unit hair grafting is a technique that we've trademarked a number of years ago that allow us to transplant more hair at a time for the patient who has maybe more advanced hair loss. Where the ARTIS system may be better suited for a guy with kind of early hair loss, or maybe somebody that's got a little bit more thinning than they like, where laser therapy or PRP is not the application. ARTIS might be. The guy who has more advanced hair loss or looking for maybe more volume, multi-unit hair grafting really can't be beat at this time. And something we're very excited about, very proud of. And this example here, for example, this patient, you can see his before picture, and you can see now as his hair is growing in over the course of the year, he chose to have the multi-unit hair grafting procedure done. He lives in Indianapolis. When he called up, he said, I'd heard about the multi-unit hair grafting. I want to come and have that done. I'm going to bring a friend. I've got one day to do this. I'm a busy businessman. I don't want to have to come back for multiple surgeries. What would you suggest? And I said, well, multi-unit hair grafting fits your need. Come in. And as you can see, there he is before, there he is 4 months later, and here he is 1 year later. Now let me pull up his his friend's pictures. This is his friend that came in, who's from New Zealand, by the way. Don't hate him. This is Darren. And you can see Darren before. Here's Darren at 4 months, and here's Darren at 1 year. So Darren chose multi-unit hair grafting. So again, one of the things that you brought up is we can offer an array of options depending on the patient's concerns and needs.
If you guys want more information, of course, jump on to WeGrowHair.com, and you can also contact Michael Ramsey through that website, and is very accommodating. So we will see you next time on Nashville Health and Wellness Program.